In our test facility, we drill with every machine to try to duplicate your job site conditions. Our experienced operators have been trained to know what to look for on all brands and models of drill rigs. We drill with the rig and create an initial work order to identify issues and service needs. Once the items on the initial work order have been completed, we'll then re-drill with the machine. If any problems are again identified, the drill goes back into the shop for additional repairs. This process continues until the drill meets the gold or platinum level certification standards of operation. We drill with the machine multiple times before it is ready to be delivered to you. We invite every customer to our test facility to operate your specific machine and make sure it meets your expectations before being delivered. This is how we're taking the risk out of buying used.